I'm Jay and this is Kayla.
And this is our home renovation video that everyone has been asking for, so I cannot wait to present this. So I'm not gonna lie, my vision for the house was, after seeing Kim Kardashian's house, I was like, oh, I want that. It was just light, bright,
Simple.
Yeah, simple.
Start to finish was so fast.
11 weeks. It was 11 weeks of just hustle. Like
It was incredible.
It was the best thing to watch in the whole world. If you don't like people in your house, it is probably the worst experience, but we loved the chaos. Like there was what?
Like 30 vans in the street.
I first heard about DIYblinds through Instagram, like collaborators. We actually met Evan, who's a legend. And the way that he explained it, I just love like how simple he made it. He was like, oh, it's easy. Like someone will come, measure up, and it'll just be installed. I was like, oh.
A few weeks later, we had blinds up.
And it was perfect.
Perfect.
Literally perfect. Like, any young couples, anyone who's renovating, anyone that wants stuff done quickly with quality, it was absolutely perfect. So what we've done is zone 1, which is the master bedroom with the walk-in wardrobe, with the ensuite. Next room is Anna's room. Next room is Jax's room. Next room is a spare room. Like it flows. And then zone 2, which I would call like living and dining, have a lounge room, a kitchen, a dining room, and it all flows in one big open space. The product that we chose for our master bedroom was, we wanted a linen, so it was a Laconia Air linen, and it's honestly the color linen, so it was really hard. People were like, what did you choose? I'm like, linen. They're like, yeah, but what color? I'm like, linen, the color is linen. And we wanted something that wasn't too standoutish. It was really nice and soft, that went with the room. We also have the shutters next to the curtains. Now, yes, we could have left the wall completely blank, but just having that there.
It adds so much more to the room, because otherwise it's just another wall.
We have another room that we sit in, that we watch movies in, that we have like a block out curtain in. That is the playroom. Beautiful room, and the curtains really do just soften the whole space.
For us, the most important thing was for it to be completely blacked out. So it was great to see that they were automated, which is for one, so it's just quickly press a button as you walk in, it's done, and it went all the way to the edge, so it was completely block out. It wasn't leaving gaps around the edges or anything like that. Every single product we used in the house is Australian made, which Kayla and I love. It's good just to support, obviously, Australian businesses.
And DIYblinds is obviously also Australian made, and the end result of this house is absolutely incredible. Thanks DIYblinds for making it so beautiful and seamless. The process was just absolutely great.